In this video, we're going to show you how to do an oil change on your Subaru Impreza. Loosen up your oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Don't take it all the way off. I like to just leave them cracked so that it'll start draining down. If you'd like to speed up the process, you can take something sharp, put it in the top and poke a hole. I like to do 2. When you do it, cover the other hole. 2 holes in it, it'll drain much faster. Remove the oil cap. I like to put this in the hood latch so you can't close the hood without putting it back. Using a 17mm wrench or socket, remove the drain plug out of the oil pan. Remove the old crush washer off of the drain plug and install the new one before you put the drain plug back in. Once the oil slows down from draining, you're down to just a drip. Reinstall the drain plug with that new crush washer. And we're going to torque it to 27 foot-pounds. Remove the oil filter. If you have holes poked in the bottom, make sure you have a rag. I like to clean up any of the dirt around the seal, any of the extra oil. Grab a little bit of clean engine oil and wipe it around the seal and on the threads. And install the new oil filter. Snug it down. Fill it with oil. Install the oil cap. Grab a clean rag, pull the dipstick out, clean it off, put it back in, pull it back out. This is the maximum line, this is the minimum line. The distance between the two is 1 quart, so if your line is right here, you'll need to add about a half a quart to get it to the max line. Once you've checked your oil and it's at the max line, wipe it off. Reinstall the dipstick. And close your hood.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.